Welcome to the month of January here at Lichtsinn RV, where we literally are only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Motorized Coach Division of Winnebago Industries right here in Forest City, Iowa. We have a lot of great events occurring during the month of January, but be sure to join us on Wednesday, January 24th for our live monthly video webcast in which we'll unveil this, the all-new Winnebago Horizon RV Pro and RV Businesses RV of the Year. Of course, we'll take all of your questions live. We'll have all of our media on our website, so be sure to join us on Wednesday, January 24th at 2 o'clock Central.
Good afternoon. I'm Stacy Anderson, a sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. Today we're in the Travato 59K, and we're here to talk to you about the FROLI Deluxe Sleep System. It's a high-tech mattress system that actually is very easy to install yourself. It's installed underneath the mattresses in the Travato, which is going to prevent more comfort and airflow for better sleeping accommodations when you're out RVing and camping. They actually are on sale this month for 20% off. You can have them shipped to you and you can install them yourselves. It's that simple. Or if you're in the area and want to stop in and have us install them for you, we can do that too. Again, the FROLI Deluxe Sleep System, great addition to your RV if it doesn't have it, and it's 20% off this month.
Hey there, it's Hannah here at Lichtsinn RV, one of the sales managers. For the month of January, we just want to ensure that you remember we have an awesome resource for you in our video library on our website. So if you simply go to the video library tab on our website, you'll see a variety of different video libraries that we've got. In-stock inventory, live streaming videos, how-to videos, several product videos, especially those related to our new Revel. We've got financing, RV lifestyle, a variety of other parts and accessories, service, and product comparison videos available for your resource. So I would encourage you, if you do have questions or maybe there's a particular video you would like to see, to contact us. We've got a wonderful marketing department who may be able to put together a video specifically for you.
Hi, this is Bryan Buffington, Service Director here at Lichtsinn RV. Now is a great time to book your appointments for the spring, whether you're coming back from the south or out west and heading back this way or just simply driving through. We do start to fill up relatively quick in the spring, so it's a great time to get that done. Give us a call and talk to one of our service consultants today at 1-800-343-6255.
And that's it for the month of January at Lichtsinn RV. Stay tuned in the months ahead as we have some exciting new things that we'll be showing you.